Water management projects often face slow progress, uneven trenches, and heavy dependence on manual labor. Traditional digging delays pipeline work, damages surfaces, and increases rework and costs. Gaja 100XT changes how water trenching is done. It delivers clean, straight trenches that are ready for pipelines in one smooth operation. The machine works efficiently across different soil conditions, keeping trench quality consistent throughout the project. With controlled digging and minimal surface disturbance, water lines are installed faster and more reliably. Gaja 100XT reduces manpower, speeds up execution, and helps complete water infrastructure projects on time. For modern water management, it's a smarter and more efficient trenching solution.